Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today is a different video, but it'll be fine, I hope. So, as of editing this, PewDiePie has just hit 100 million subscribers, so congratulations, PewDiePie. And today I will be teaching you guys how to make PewDiePie's first elevator for his giant meatball, but with a few modifications that I have added to it. So, let's begin the video by showing what his meatball elevator looked like.
Stone. I've spent a lot of time with this redstone, and I hope it works. Sorry, Sven, you can't ride this. It might break. You just gotta hit this, and then... voila, baby!
So with my minor tweaks to the elevator, it goes a little bit faster, and there's a lever from the top that lets you go down, but unfortunately, you're gonna have to walk all the way down. Let's see these items that are needed for this build. You will need a block of your choice, redstone repeaters, glass blocks, pistons, levers, and finally, some redstone dust. First, we are going to need to place this piston underneath the ground by punching out a block, and then placing the piston. Then we're going to need redstone dust connected to it with a lever. Then we're going to build a block up, placing a piston facing that way. Then we're going to need to place a repeater there and place dust connecting towards the piston. Then place a piston there, and then one up there. And then connect this line of redstone to the other piston with another repeater. To connect the line of redstone to this piston, we're going to need to place some blocks, and then arch our way upward with some glass blocks to make it go through, and then we need a repeater to delay the signal a little bit. Now we're going to need to place a block here with a piston facing upward. Then we're going to just turn that off. Then move over here, place a line of blocks, and connect redstone dust with a repeater, and it will connect to that piston, and now that does it really well. We put a piston to the side, and we build out by 3 blocks, and then we build upward from there by 3 blocks. Place a redstone dust, block on top, repeater, and then you connect the line of redstone. And basically we're done with everything on the bottom, and now we just repeat all of that process over and over because it is easily expandable. So now we are just doing the same order, but we're going to be doing that until we think it is high enough. If you are still confused, just watch how I am doing it over and over, and slow the video and just retry your steps and see if you can do it. Good luck. So this build is quite simple to make, and that's it just with that one lever, but if you want a lever on top to retract all the pistons and walk downwards, then the next steps are for you, but if that's good enough, then you're done. For this part, you will need everything I've already mentioned, plus some redstone torches, and 1 sticky piston. What you will need to do is break that lever and have a repeater facing towards the signal, then have repeaters facing the opposite direction, and then have blocks running from those repeaters, and then 2 redstone torches on the back of those 2 blocks, then redstone dust in between the gaps, and a sticky piston facing the middle block, and then have redstone dust facing the sticky piston. And then you're gonna have to put a lever there, and now we're gonna have to link the top lever by making all of these redstone line go all the way up. So just stack them up on glass, and it's really simple. And then you have to put the lever somewhere that you're going to use, and make sure to place a repeater every 15 blocks just in case. And that's going to be a pretty good location for the lever. And now it should work. If we... Nope. We are going to have to make that go in front longer. So now it's gonna work. Sorry guys, that's not gonna work. So what we have to do, since both of the levers are connected to both dust, we're gonna have a repeater go inside of that redstone dust, so then it works. So don't forget to do that, like me. And so now we can go up easily, and we should be able to retract these pistons and go down easily. So I said that this contraption is easily expandable, and it is. So this is the elevator, but it's 25 blocks tall, and this is me going up from it, and it's quite quick, but I apologize for going into the third person while going up. And this is it retracting. It takes a while for it to retract, but it works. So here's me going down. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and ring the bell. And if you like my Minecraft videos over my other ones, then leave a comment saying you like this more, and I hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.